welcome back to Sincerely Legenia, where I do delicious keto and low carb recipes, and every once in a while I'll throw in some original traditional recipes that just cannot be kept secret. Hey guys, right now I am in the mood for something sweet. I don't have any pastries or anything here, any keto approved pastries that I can use right now, so I'm going to throw together a delicious dessert using the fruit that I have on hand, and I thought I'd bring you guys along with me so that you can see what it is that I'm going to make. You know my motto, quick, easy, and delicious. So this one is just that. Quick, easy, delicious, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, my friends, for today's recipe, we are going to use the following. We have some Lakanto chocolate syrup. It is sweetened with monk fruit. I have not had this before, so it's going to be my first time trying this in today's dessert. We have some Sola granola. This is the vanilla almond flavor. It is so delicious, and I love that little crunch. It's going to be a nice little crunch in my dessert today. I've got some Ready Whip real cream, and this cream is fabulous. It is delicious, and it's only 1 net carb per 2 tablespoons per 2 tablespoons. So we're going to be good there. Okay, we got that. For our fruit, we've got some freshly washed blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. All right, so these are the ingredients we are going to be using for today's dessert. So let's go ahead and put this together. All right, guys, so here we go. We're going to put this bowl together. We're going to start out with a little bit of the Sola granola in the bottom of our pan. This is not a pan. This is a bowl, okay? Please don't get a pan for this. We're going to start out with a little bit of Sola granola in the bottom of our bowl. And then we're going to add our delicious strawberries. Y'all know I got to put it in here nice and neat. It got to look pretty. It got to look real special, all right? So I'm going to put it in here nice and beautifully. We eat with our eyes first. That's what I always tell my girls. So you got to make sure the food looks good. Okay? Look at that. Look pretty already. Okay? All right. Now let's put in a little more color. We're going to add some blackberries. Okay? And yes, I'm going to strategically place them around. So that when I get ready to take a picture of this, it's going to look delicious. And y'all will be salivating when you see it. And you're like, oh my goodness, I have got to make this. Okay? That's the whole purpose. All right? So we've got our delicious blackberries in there. You see this? Y'all see? My Lord. All right, so now we're going to put the raspberries in there. Why? Because we cannot have this dessert without the fabulous raspberries. We're going to throw them in here, and I'm going to strategically place these around the blackberries. Like that. Okay, look. Does that not look amazing? All right, here we go. Last one. Last set. We're going to put in the blueberries. All right. Now, blueberries, they're just a free spirit type fruit. All right, so just wherever they land, that's where they're going to be. They're just free spirited like that, okay? All right, these are what we call our keto approved fruits, okay? Keto approved fruits, look at that. Now you're like, oh my goodness, we cannot see the strawberries. Not to worry. I still have a few more that I'm going to put on here so that you know that they are in there, all right? I'm just going to strategically place these around here like this. All right. Now look at that. Does that not look amazing? All right, let's continue. All right, so now that we have our berries nicely placed in our bowl, it's now time to top it with some creamy goodness. We're going to put some whipped cream. Now, you guys know I have showed you in a couple of my videos my homemade whipped cream. I do prefer the homemade, but since I don't have that, we're gonna go with the Ready Whip, okay? Now we're gonna top that with some more of this fabulous Sola granola. Ooh, what you say? What you say? Y'all see this? I don't even think y'all understand. Oh, this even just smells good. And then, once you put granola on top of it, you get some more and you eat it, okay? That is very essential when putting this dessert together. And lastly, we're going to get the Lakanto chocolate syrup with monk fruit sweetener. We're going to get that, and we're going to drizzle it on like this. Y'all think this is a joke. Do y'all understand what is happening here? Do y'all understand? I don't think... Do y'all understand what has happened? Do y'all know what this means? We fixing to eat. That's what this means. Doesn't that look amazing? All right, guys, you know what's next. I got to give it a taste. All right, friends, here it is, this beautiful, delicious keto dessert with our blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries, whipped cream, solar granola, and keto-approved chocolate syrup. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. I gotta get a little bit of everything in here. Get me a berry, get me some granola, get me some chocolate. All right, here we go, guys. You'll see that? Doesn't it look amazing? Let's give it a taste. Hey! Y'all. When I think about the goodness of Jesus and all that he has done for me, like affording us this delicious food, I'm one happy sister. This dessert is amazing, guys. I admonish you to get you some of this. Go get you some fruit, some keto and low carb approved fruit. Get you some. Get you some granola, keto approved, low carb granola. If you don't want to get you any ready whip, make you some homemade whipped cream. I've showed you how to do that in some videos back. I'll put a link right here. If you don't have Lakanto, get you some Lily's baking chips. Put a little heavy whipping cream in that. Pop it in the microwave. Whip it around. Stir it around a little bit. You've got you some chocolate syrup. Just some alternatives. Put this dessert together. You will be pleased. It will definitely satisfy your sweet tooth. All right. I'm done talking. I'm fixing to go sit down and eat. All right, everybody, that is it for today's video. This dessert is so, you know it, quick, easy, and delicious. You just simply throw everything together. You can put it in nice and beautifully the way I did, but trust me, it doesn't matter. It's going to all still taste the same. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I would like to say to all of my new subscribers, thank you guys so much. Welcome to Sincerely Legenia. It is so great to have you be a part of the Sincerely Legenia family. If you are new here and have not yet subscribed, then consider clicking that subscription button below, the notification bell right next to it so that you know every time I upload a new recipe. Do not forget, guys, to leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's video. It is always a pleasure. And until the next time, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous week. And I'll talk to you in the next video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Thanks again. Bye.